God damn it, that one before was just a waste. Dang it. Anyways, showing my saves is not going to be... I'm just going to play a few games. I'm pretty bored. Probably just going to go and create a universe. No one else is going to be here since, as always. Anyways, double the diameter. I'm going to just reset the system. Going to summon a red dwarf. Let Earth die. Earth survive. Earth survive. Like this. Let's be yeah. Hold up. Negative none. I just wiped out everything. Well, we need a star, right? Stephen. Here's Nah. Stevenson is biggest in yeah, this boring. Just have to blow the time. Just have to blow out some time. I-A-M-B-O-R-D. I'm going to just go to a role play. See if... Alright guys, I'm back from the role play. Can you guys see that? Gonna move back here. Solar system here. Solar system history. This is our current solar system. So, our stellar nebula formed from a neutron-star collision. Proto-sun forms. Sun starts making the solar system. Jupiter forms. Saturn forms. Ice giants form. Or Mars forms. Oopsies, I went. Pluto planet crashes. Mars planet. Ceres forms. Earth and Venus form. Rest of planets from Jupiter gets galleon moons. Hold on. Just to check ones. Moon forms from Earth-Day collision. Most of the moons have been formed / captured now. Venus gets life. What? This is crazy discovery. Venus got life. Mars and Earth gets life. Mars loses its main spear, causing life to end and water to go to poles and become ice. Mars captures Phobos and Deimos, those two tiny asteroids. Snowball Earth starts. A runaway greenhouse effect happened on Venus, ending its life. Snowball Earth ends. Saturn gets its rings. In 1099, Jupiter got its red spot. And now, the current solar system. In 2060, Jupiter's red spot will start shrinking into nothing. Wait, where's Planux? Ah yes, a normal day on Earth. Normal day. Normal day on Jupiter. Mars is terraformed. Has been terraformed. Venus becomes uninhabitable. Earth becomes uninhabitable. Moon becomes uninhabitable. Sun becomes a subgiant. Mars becomes uninhabitable. Triton ripped apart by Neptune. Sun runs out of gas, so it becomes a red giant. By Sun. Venus is swallowed by Sun. Sun smacks Sun. Moon collides with Sun. Sun sheds out there, only a white ball. Everything beyond Venus leaves the solar system due to Sun's low gravity. Earth and Mars have water. Earth crashes into Sun due to tidal forces, making orbit decay. Suddenly, Uranus ejected from solar system to a interstellar encounter. Mars becomes an ice planet. Mars gets destroyed by Sun tidal forces. Sun becomes a black dwarf. Protons are stretched so they fall apart. Jupiter's moons and Ceres decay. Jupiter decay. Sun gets sucked into the black hole, causing the end of the solar system. Anyways, let's go to another game related. Make your own planetary system. Alright, good. 13. basically, we have infinite solar system. Meaning, first up, I'm going to place a normal star. I'm going to place a small star. Undo. So, this small star's gravity won't be able to hold all of the planets together. Because of that, here is a planet. It simped it out here. It gets pulled. It gets exiled. You have to be here beyond at the Goldilocks zone or under to exist. Meanwhile, this exoplanet is pulling on the star's gravity. It's actually pulling, causing it to malfunction, causing it to fling itself. When it flings itself, it entirely hits. When it flings itself, it causes to enter here, but it despands at some point. But with this planet, with the planet with life, it was hit with a giant object, causing it to rotate and causing a giant fire. Billions of years later, the fire gets removed. And because of this other collision, it causes a big gas giant to form. And also, the sun gets bigger. The star gets bigger. Like a lot bigger. So big, it swallows the giant nearly. But anything near the red zone, anything in the red zone will probably get eaten. Anything in this red zone is not going to get eaten. But now this small poor giant is just a pebble compared. So then, another planet accidentally gets too close to our planet with life. And since it got too close, you want to know what happens? It gets destroyed. So it gets too close to this planet. The only planet with life. And what happens is kaboom, deleted. Gets destroyed and instead replaced with rings for the planet. And also the Goldilocks zone stays the same. But because of these new rings, this planet with life, it will eventually become uninhabitable. So all life gets wiped out from heavy meteor rain. Till suddenly the sun expands again to nearly twice its original size. Maybe not even twice. Under twice. And that poor gas giant that was there, brink of extinct. option. Literally, it's literally so close to the star that it just becomes a giant flying flame. And eventually, kaboom, gets destroyed. And then, because of that, the gravity gets a lot bigger, causing Earth to get out of the habitable zone. So big that it can't even fill in its entire disk. It can't even fill in the entire center of the system. That's how big, that's how strong, so big and powerful it is. And yes, our planet loses its rings. Then it will become a hypernova soon, till suddenly a star crosses into the system, causing mass destruction, causing the planet to get pulled towards the planet with life to get super close, making it uninhabitable. And this is just how big the stars can get. And eventually, our planet with life collides, causing it to get destroyed. Also float. Since I don't want to do it, I'm just moving it over out here. So yeah, I'm going to create a universe soon. I'm not going to show the ad universe. Well, actually, probably. So, the gas giant shrinks. So now, you can easily walk through it a bit. Until suddenly, the planet even bigger than our gas giant. So big, well, even the same size. Literally, look, I can float. Undo. Just gotta move, gotta move. Gotta move. Well, a planet literally the same exact size appears on the blink of crashing. Till suddenly the star grows. It grows so massively it nearly engulfs the giant. Or maybe even nearly. But now it's so big the whole solar system blinks into chaos. And so this is just day 50. This is just year 15 billion of this system. And the new gravity force causes the planet to get pulled into this, cause the habitable zone to drastically switch. And it gets so big, I'm moving it over here, so it doesn't even reach. So yes, I'm done. But the planets get exiled from this. But they actually get back caught because of the intense gravity. About nearly 50 billion times its original size. It drastically grew a bit bigger, nearly engulfing the Goldilocks zone. All the zones are so small Everything is so small. Yeah. Till suddenly a black hole turn 6, a big black hole 50 was so strong it engulfed the whole star. Even eating all the nearby stars. Eat till the biggest star comes. So this black hole is big, you think? When actually a black hole even bigger. Maybe even the same size, but I don't know. Maybe small. But then the biggest star a big star comes. That's what happens. Everything gets engulfed. Anyways, I'm going to get something else. Now, welcome to the size comparison. Music is a bit lame. Don't. No. What? This is boring. Actually, I don't want to play this dumb game. Instead, I'm going to have a look at some space, more space related. I'm going to see if 99 Nights in the Forest is admin abusing now. If it is, I'm going to be... It's admin abusing. Nearly. 4 minutes. I'm going to... I'm hungry. Okay. Mom, I'm hungry. One little butter. Sorry for sure. Okay, just to let you guys know, I am probably going to, well, I'm just going to play. I'm going to end this video now because I need to play and watch Creekcraft.